Are you using affirmations to manifest your desires or to recreate your specific person, but every time you read them, they feel completely fake to you? If you answered yes to this question, then keep watching because there are several ways to fix that. What's up, superheroes? Welcome back to my channel, the place where we make the impossible possible. I'm Scarlet Grace from Seraph.com. I'm a manifestation coach, and today's video is about what to do when your affirmations feel fake. If you're new here and you want to learn how to manifest any desire fast with the law of attraction and Neville Goddard's teachings, then start now by hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you won't miss any video that could change your life. And if you need some extra help or my personal advice for your situation, coaching is available. You'll find all the links in the description below. I also have a 21-day course on how to manifest your specific person. So if that's what you're looking for, then click the link in the description to check it out. So let's talk about what to do when your affirmations feel fake. This is a problem that many people have. Some people, when they write affirmations or intentions about a specific person especially, but not exclusively, it can be about money, it can be about anything. Some people, when they write positive affirmations, they feel really great. And when they read those affirmations, their vibe goes up, they start feeling so much better, and it works great for them. Other people, they write their list of affirmations, but every time they start reading it, it feels so fake, so unbelievable that those things are actually true, that they just give up on it. So if that's you, keep watching, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do to fix this problem. So, the first thing that creates this problem is when your affirmations are way too ambitious. If you have a list of affirmations that are so far away from your current reality that it sounds like those things will never ever come true, this is a problem. Again, some people don't have an issue with this. Some people can write an affirmation that says, I'm married to my specific person and he loves me so much, and even if their specific person hasn't talked to them in 3 years, they don't have a problem with that. It feels good, it feels believable, and they're going to manifest it this way. Or some people can write a goal that says, I earn $1 million every month and it feels great, and they don't get this problem. But other people, when they go so big, they start having issues, they start having resistance to what the affirmation states. And it doesn't work to their benefit. Instead of making them feel that this is something that is happening right now, instead of helping them to live from the end, what it does is it brings up all their resistance. So the first way to solve the problem of your affirmations feeling fake is to look at your affirmations and ask yourself, is there a way to take those affirmations a few notches down so they still represent what I want to manifest in my reality, but they don't sound so fake? For example, let's say that you have an affirmation that you earn $1 million per month. Well, what if we brought that amount down to 50K or 100K? Would that be still towards the direction that you want to go, but more believable, something that will make you feel happy and expansive when you read it and will help you feel that this is your reality right now so that you can manifest it? If it feels better and it's still way more than you earn right now, then go with that affirmation. You don't have to go for the 1 million right away. Or, for example, let's say that your affirmations are about a specific person, because that's when most people get resistance. If your affirmation says that you're the only one for your specific person and he only has eyes for you and he loves you unconditionally and can't stop thinking about you all day, and this is someone who hasn't talked to you in a couple of years, then of course this is going to seem unbelievable. So take it down a few notches. Make it so even though me and this person broke up a long time ago, they still think about me every day. This is something a bit more believable than I'm always on their mind and they're obsessed about me and I'm the only one for them. Because if you were the only one for them and they were obsessed about you, they would have reached out by now. Okay? But what if, even though they're not talking to you, even though you haven't talked in a couple of years, they think about you all of a sudden, every day? this happens. I mean, hasn't it happened to you? You were in a relationship with someone, you broke up, you moved on, maybe you had a different relationship with someone else, but you kept going back in your thoughts to that person, wondering, what if we hadn't broken up? This happens to people. It's way more believable. And it may be something that it takes a while to express. So maybe someone will go through 3 relationships before they decide to do anything about the fact that they still keep going back to you in their mind. So it's way more believable than this person is completely obsessed with me when you haven't seen this person in 2 years. So go through your affirmations and see if some of them can be taken a few notches down, so they still represent the reality that you want, they still move you in the right direction, but they're not so ambitious that they bring up all your resistance. That's one way to fix the problem of affirmations feeling fake. The second way to deal with this is when your affirmations feel fake, usually that means that you have limiting beliefs about yourself. So especially when your affirmations are about someone else, like a specific person, and you want to change how they act or what they feel about you, if you read your affirmations and those affirmations feel fake, that means that you should stop focusing so much on this person and focus on yourself. Because the reason those affirmations feel fake is because you don't feel that you deserve to experience this in your reality. So, for example, if you have an affirmation that says that you're always on this person's mind, and every time you read that affirmation, you start thinking, yeah, right, I bet they never think about me. Or if you read an affirmation that says that you are the only person that they're so attracted to, and you keep thinking, yeah, right, there's so many other hot people, why would they be thinking about me? Why would they even be attracted to me? Then that means that it is not a problem when it comes to how this person thinks, because this person may be attracted to you. The problem is that you don't believe you're attractive. The problem is that you don't believe you're good enough for this person. So the solution in this case is this. First of all, stop focusing on this person for a little while and write affirmations only about yourself. Write affirmations about how you're worthy of all the good things in life. Write affirmations about how you are a catch and you deserve a great relationship, about how so many people want to date you, about how when you walk into a place, all heads turn and look at you and admire you, and affirmations like that. Write affirmations that are going to rewrite your own beliefs about yourself. Because if you don't feel that you deserve something, you're not going to manifest it. And if you manifest it, you're not going to be able to keep it. That's how people manifest a relationship with their dream person that they never thought even existed on this planet. And then it goes bad because of their own insecurities, because they don't believe they deserve this person, because they cannot accept that this person loves them, that this person is attracted to them, that this person finds them beautiful. That's how relationships go bad. So, you need to fix your own opinion about yourself. And this is the approach that works best. First of all, write a list of affirmations that focus exclusively on you, on the way you look, on your own self-worth, on how deserving you are of the things you want. Make it all about you. Don't include any other specific person on this list. This is not about changing someone's behavior. This is about changing you, so you automatically get to live in a reality where everyone, including your specific person, will be very eager and willing to behave the way you expect to be treated. So in other words, if you change what you believe about yourself, it will not sound unreasonable and fake to say that this person thinks about you. If you believe you're a catch, if you believe you're really hot, if you believe that you're an amazing person, then of course it is natural for you to believe that this person, who used to be attracted to you in the past, is still attracted to you. It is reasonable to believe that this person is thinking about you. It is reasonable to believe that this person, especially if they made mistakes, actually want to apologize and come back to you. Because you are going to be this new person who feels very confident, who feels that she's a catch, who feels that she's an incredible person, and so many people want to date you. So this will be natural. This person, this specific person that you want to behave a certain way, to be attracted to you, to think about you, to want to be with you, it will be natural for you to believe that this person does all those things and thinks all those things because so many other people think those things about you and want those things with you. So why not this person? They're lucky that you like them. They're lucky that you're attracted to them because many other people would want this opportunity to be with you, and they're the lucky ones who get to have you if they express those emotions. It will feel natural to you. So first of all, write your list of affirmations about yourself, and then here's what I want you to do. In your everyday life, I want you to recognize even the slightest manifestation that confirms these affirmations that you have written about yourself. So let's say that you write an affirmation about how you're very attractive and you always draw attention to yourself naturally wherever you are. And you go out with your friends and someone buys you a drink. Now, when this happens, I want you to think, see, this is confirmation that I'm very attractive and people are very attracted to me. If someone, even someone you are completely not interested in, expresses an interest in you, in dating you, in going out with you, in having a drink with you, you can say no, of course, but at the same time in your mind, say, this is confirmation that so many people want to date me. Everyone wants to date me. So you use things from your physical reality, even if they're small things, even if they are completely unrelated with your specific person, as confirmation that your affirmations are actually true already. Because when you do that, you stop feeling they're fake. If you have physical proof, even if it is small proof, that those affirmations are working and they are true in your physical reality, then your subconscious mind will accept them as true. And it doesn't have to be big things. It has to be anything that shows up in your reality, even if it is something tiny. Stop and look at it and say, this is confirmation that I am an awesome person, or this is confirmation that I'm very attractive because this guy bought me a drink. This is confirmation that I'm very attractive because this person gave me a compliment. Okay? Anything. Now, if there is anything in your physical reality that doesn't confirm those affirmations, completely disregard it. Tell yourself that this is a remnant of the past. You're a new version of yourself now. You are attractive now. You are an awesome person now. You are a catch now. You can have any person you want. You can date any person you want because everyone feels that they would be lucky to date you. So don't use the lack of evidence or any negative evidence as confirmation that your beliefs, your new beliefs, your affirmations are not actually true. This is what we usually do during the day, and this is what stops many people from being able to manifest successfully. So if you go to a bar and nobody buys you a drink, what many people do is they start thinking, yeah, I'm unattractive. If I were attractive, someone would have bought me a drink by now, and nobody is paying attention to me, and I'm going to end up lonely, and blah, 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 blah. This is using lack of evidence in your physical reality as confirmation that your negative beliefs are true. You need to stop doing this. If nothing happens, then that's okay. If something small happens, or even something big, that is proof that your new affirmations are working even a little bit, then tell yourself this is confirmation that I'm actually this person. If your affirmations are not about a specific person, let's say your affirmations are about money. Let's say you're selling products and you have created an affirmation that says that you are a marketing expert and you can sell anything to anyone. If someone buys something from you, even if it is a tiny thing, even if it is something that costs $1, even if it is the only person that bought something from you in the last month, don't look at this thing and tell yourself, see, all I can do is I can sell to one person something that costs $1 and I suck at this. Tell yourself, oh, I had a sale. This is confirmation that I'm an expert in marketing and I can sell anything to anyone. Because if you do this, and if you do this consistently and refuse to look at the lack of evidence and tell yourself this is proof that I'm failing, if you disregard any evidence to the opposite of your affirmations, and at the same time, if you take even the tiniest of successes, even the tiniest of proof in your physical reality as an opportunity to prove to yourself that here, your affirmations are actually true, they're not fake sentences, then they will become more and more and more believable every day. And eventually, it may be in a few days, it may be in a few weeks, it may be in a few months, you will fully embody this new version of you that is very successful, that is actually an expert at marketing and can sell anything to anyone, that is actually extremely attractive and all guys want to date her. And the third way to deal with affirmations that feel fake is to actually try working with a different method instead of affirmations. Because not all methods work the same way for all people. Some people do extremely well with affirmations. They can use affirmations to manifest anything and it's the easiest thing for them. Other people don't do well with affirmations. Other people do well with visualization, with imagining sessions. Other people do great with scripting. So there are many different manifestation techniques. If affirmations feel fake to you, maybe try creating an imaginal scene and try to manifest your desires through that scene. Maybe if you want, even for your personal insecurities and changing your beliefs, maybe instead of affirmations, create a small imaginal scene for each belief that you want to change. So instead of saying, I am the most attractive person in the world, create a 5-second scene where you are somewhere, maybe at work, maybe at the bar, maybe wherever you want, and there are several guys who are really hot and they are competing for your attention and they all bought you drinks or whatever. Make a scene that would imply that you are already this attractive person, that people are attracted to you, that you are a catch. Now, this can be one scene for each affirmation, or if you combine 2 or 3 affirmations into one scene that implies that all of them are true, then you can do that. See how that works for you. Because maybe this will work better for you and it won't bring up all the resistance and it won't feel fake. Because if you truly sink into your scene without any expectations, just for the joy of it, then this is going to feel pleasant and the resistance won't be there. So try different methods and see what works best for yourself. If you like this video, then hit the like button, share it so other people can find this information too. And if you haven't already, then subscribe, hit the bell icon, because I put out new videos every Sunday to help you manifest an amazing life. Thank you so much for watching.